As 2020 was ending, we came up with really the over-the-top idea of leasing a food truck.
The homeless describe the truck as the big mama of downtown LA.
Because if you think of a mom, what does a great mom do? A mom feeds you. And so this truck is giving out all this love, all this warmth, all these hot meals every day.